Do you know the hidden truth behind complex AI jargon? Today, we are using the classic Russian doll concept that completely unlock the absolute matrix of artificial intelligence. Viewers, the outermost layer of our tech matrix is machine learning. This is the magical realm of computer science where we no longer write explicit code. Instead, the machine analyzes input and output data to mathematically decrypt the underlying equations. Inside this lies deep learning, which mimics the neural networks of the human brain. The process unstructured data like visuals and text, just like students collaborate in a classroom to identify complex patterns. This system uses backward error propagation to continuously learn from mistakes and self correct into an absolute expert over time. The power of generative AI and LLMs. The real paradigm shift occurred with the grand rise of generative AI. While traditional AI classified existing data, generative AI creates entirely new words, high fidelity images, and complex code from scratch. The powerhouse drive this creation is large language models, LLMs. Think of them as ultra powerful statistical parrots or sophisticated autocomplete engines predicting the next word based on pure probability. To put it in perspective, the next data used to train GPT-3 would take a human 2600 years of non-stop reading to finish. With the launch of the transformer architecture and attention mechanism in 2017, along with RLHF human training, these models became highly secure global digital assistants, AI agents, the ultimate autonomous evolution. Now we unlock the absolute core layer of the doll, AI agents. Unlike reactive AI that merely answer questions, proactive AI agents take real-world executable actions by combining an LLM thinking engine, long-term contextual memory, and real-world tools via APIs. They gain absolute operational freedom. For instance, in employee onboarding, an AI agent will autonomously strategize a multi-step plan, create HR profiles, automatically generate IT department figures, and seamlessly dispatch welcome calendar invites without a single manual prompt. Elite anchor closing hook. We have transitioned rapidly from a simple text word predicting engine to fully autonomous global agent capable of transforming empires. I am Muhammad Faisal Hussaini, the Global Chief of Deep Voice and Soul Architecture. Viewers, if you found this deep analytical breakdown valuable and authentic, kindly take a brief second to like this video, share it across your networks to spread the truth, and subscribe to the channel right now. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next high velocity breaking news report. Stay alert, stay ahead, and wait for our next critical drop. Who is like me? I am Hussaini. Wassalam.